The 2023 presidential election that was held on February 25, where the candidate of the All Progressive Congress (APC), Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, emerged as the winner, beating his fellow rivals Alhaji Atiku Abubakar and Mr. Peter Obi of Labour Party. Well, before the election, various celebrities pitched their tents with one of those candidates which they all feel would be the best to lead the country's administration. Today, we will be looking at those celebrities that supported the APC flag bearer Bola Tinubu. But let's look at the top 15 that supported APC. Eniola Badmus, Bimbo Akitola, Portable, Foluke Daramola, Olaya Igwe, Taiwo Hassan, Said Balogun, Sheilo, brymo, Leo da Silva, Mr. Jollof, MC Oluomo, Pasuma.